Welcome, virtual learners. Here are some tips and tricks to help you get through this e-learning time period that we're all in. First, wake up at a normal time. You have classes at certain times, so there's really no excuse to be trying to wake up at like 1 p.m. whenever you have classes starting at 8:30, I think, learning these schedules. 2, put on pants. I know that seems silly. You would think, oh, I'm at home, let me just stay in my pajamas. No. Get dressed like you would for any other school day. Maybe no shoes, but get dressed. Get in a workspace. I'm at a desk. I have lights on. I'm ready to work. You need to do the same thing. It's going to help you. Don't do work on your bed. Your bed is for sleeping. Don't do work on your bed. Also, try not to do work with the TV on. It's really helpful. You may hear noise in the background of some of my videos. Typically, it's going to be Mo TV, not me TV. Lots of Mo water recently, though, so you may hear that. But you need to try to work without the TV and without your cell phone if possible. It helps you to flip it over, put it in the freezer, whatever's going to help you to not look at your phone throughout class. Also, make sure that you eat before you get to class. Eating during class isn't a bad thing necessarily, but not having eaten, you're just going to be distracted by wanting to eat the whole class period. So, make sure you eat. Make sure that you're in a place where you're going to have minimum distractions. You guys are going to hear Mo a lot. He's probably going to be slightly distracting. So will my dog Minnie, because she'll probably bark. But make sure that you're in a place where you're not in the middle of the house where everything is happening. Get your own corner, get your own space. Also, learn to use Google Calendar. It'll really help you out. I've already set up all our meet times, so just be prepared. And come with a good attitude. If you come thinking that e-learning is going to stink, it's going to stink. But if you come thinking that e-learning is going to be a new experience and we're all learning, because we all are learning, it's going to be good. Those are my tips and tricks. Also, use your alarm clock for everything. I actually have an alarm clock on my desk so that way I can help us in class set alarms and time ourselves because we're getting there and we're learning just like everybody else. Bye!